Okay, here I go once again. 2007 Buick Lucerne. Customer just brought this car over. It has the 3800 Series 2 V6 and was complaining about a lot of vibration and things that was going on with the vehicle. And I also have changed the front struts on it. But today we found out, see if I can zoom in, the front lower mount is all busted up, which if you could test it right there with the silver bolt on it, when you go to put it in drive, hold your foot on the brake, put it in drive, it lifts up and the whole top boot of it has a tear on it. So I'm going to be replacing that, which from what I see there's a top screw, a bottom screw to the frame, and I believe there's 3 screws to the motor. So I'll be showing you guys how to basically get that off. To which I'm thinking I will be jacking it up on jack stands. I will support the motor. I don't have a motor hoist, so I will be supporting the motor from the bottom, a wooden block across the oil pan with the hydraulic jack, you know, basically to support the motor to get weight off of that mount. But what I'm going to do is disconnect the mount from the motor, which will basically take the pressure off of the actual mount for me to get to that top and bottom bolts. So I will take pictures and give step-by-step instructions on how to do that, but right there is the motor mount. Here's the 2007 Buick Lucerne with the 3800 motor. Have jack stands on the left and right side. Supported the engine right by this lower mount. So right now what we're about to do is start taking off the bolts, which is basically 3 of them, that connects the motor mount to the motor and to the frame. Okay, the motor mount top bolt is a 18mm deep socket. In order to get that off, you're going to need a swivel and an extension as such, just because if you look at the manifold and that bolt, it's not straight, as you can see. So you'll need a swivel and a long extension bar to get that off. 18mm. Mountain is out, and I'm going to show you that this here is a guide pin from the mount. So you may have to stick a flathead screwdriver or a pry bar under here just to be able to get this off of there. It may be seized, it may be on for a while, rusted on, but once it come off, only thing you have to do is grab your motor mount, wiggle it, and get it up. The reason why this one is bad is, as you can see, it's destroyed. So the engine had a lot of movement, which can cause more issues to the transmission, the upper mount, and things of that such. So this is the top, this is the bottom.